What if one day you wake up and your income is gone? No money, no backup, just stress. This isn't a theory, it happened to me. And that's when I realized I was stuck. I run a small mobile repair shop, and here's the harsh truth. If I don't work today, I don't earn today. No customers, no cash. That's it. But the real danger, what if I get sick? What if something unexpected happens? Let's be honest. If your income stops the moment you stop working, that's not income, that's a trap. But I found a way out, and today I want to show you how you can escape too. If your income stopped today, how long could you survive? A week? A month? The truth is, most people can't even last 30 days, and that's a big problem. So, what's the real difference between rich and the rest of us? It's simple. We earn money and spend it. They earn money, multiply it, and then spend the profits. I looked at my shop and thought, depending on daily customers, that's not freedom, that's a pressure. So I made a decision. No more just working. I need to multiply my income. No more relying on one source. I'll build multiple income streams. No more saving. I make my money grow. Because let's face it, saving without growth, it's like filling a leaking bucket. No matter how much you pour in, it will never be enough. I started researching, watching YouTube videos, reading blogs, listening some real stories. I saw a pattern. Every financially successful person followed 3 clear steps. And today, we will talk about step 1. It sounds like a dream. Money that works even while you sleep. And today, it's not a fantasy. It's real and achievable. I used to think income only comes from showing up and work. But then I realized real freedom needs scalable income. And for that, I hate to grow just beyond one skill or one shop. So I asked myself, what am I passionate about? What can I build that grows with time? For me, it was sharing everything I'm learning. So I started this YouTube channel. Because everyone has something to share. In this digital age, your knowledge can become your income. And YouTube is just one example. You could write an ebook, build an online course, start a blog, Sell digital products. Start freelancing. I haven't made it yet, but I finally started. Maybe, just maybe, if you take the first step too, next year we will both making money in our sleep. If this got you thinking, good, because step 2 will blow your mind. In the next video, I'll show you how you can build high income skills, the skills that can make thousands just using a laptop. See you there.